Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 0x80070426 Windows update error in Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue. For that, go to search menu and type services. Open it. In services you need to search for Windows update service guys. Search for it and you just need to right click on it and click restart. And after restarting it, close out of here and go to search menu and type cmd. You just need to click as run as administrator and click yes. Now check my video description for this command guys. Copy the command and tap the bar, right click edge it and paste it in guys. Press enter. Wait for it to complete 100% guys. Wait for it. After finishing this 100% completed successfully guys, you just need to close out of here and restart your PC guys. And after restarting your PC you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helped you guys. Now attempt to check for Windows update. The error will be fixed. And that's it guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.